Get ready, an unbelievable series of car crashes unfold as multiple vehicles collide in rapid succession, causing chaos and confusion.
Oh, whoa, y'all. Whoa, there it goes. Stop. Oh, my gosh.
That's why it's important to stay fully focused while making a turn. Now watch how this driver shows complete carelessness.
Oh, damn. No. Ah! God!
The car entered the wrong lane and collided with the truck. The van slipped on the icy road and moved into the wrong lane, colliding with an oncoming car at high speed. This driver didn't pay attention to oncoming traffic and ended up hitting the incoming car. This driver is forcing his way into another lane and ends up causing a collision with his car.
God damn it!
Here the car is in its lane, but bus changing lanes in the wrong way, hitting the side of the car.
Look at me some
Oh, my God.
The guy in the black car seemed to think he was in a movie as he sped up and hit the red car.
At the elementary school,
Jesus Christ.
The driver of this car tried to cut off the other car in a very reckless manner, causing a collision with the car ahead.
Es posible que tengamos que reducir la velocidad o detenernos repentinamente.
The van slowed down on the road, and the truck coming from behind hit it. Just look at the damage caused.
Look, $5, $6.
Oh, shit.
What the? Ah, look at the car.
Там автобус, который вылетел. Да ебать!
Due to the snow, the car skidded on the road, moved into the wrong lanes, and collided with a truck. The car hit the truck from front side, and due to the high speed, it caused an explosion.
Опа! Опа!
You just... Are you kidding me? Are you...
The black car lost control on the slippery road, first hitting the white car, then crashing directly into another car. Look here, the truck's back tire came off, causing it to lose control and skid off the road.
I'm sure it feels
Русский тоже не надо.
Однако они
Ух
советуют
ты.
не спешить с разводом.
Есть! Ух ты,
Все, готово.
Everyone's overhead. Have the lead unit back off a bit.
The car moved in front of the truck and collided with it in a very severe manner. I'm not sure if the car's driver fell asleep or if there was another issue, but the car went into the wrong lane and collided very badly. The car skidded on the road and hit a truck coming from the opposite side.
Это можно отдельно.
The car crossed to the opposite side and hit another vehicle in a very severe manner. As the car was moving, the black Mercedes came ahead, causing an accident.
Right, to get the damage repaired anywhere.
Oh my god!
Это вот прям приятность в этом я вижу какой-то. Опа, он заебашился. Вот это.
Не, военный моряк, блядь! Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой-ой. Все. Нет.
Везет более. Опа! Держись, держись. Блядь.
The car moved into the wrong lane on its own and collided with the truck in a very severe manner. The car skidded due to the snow and hit the truck. Just look at how bad the accident is.
Somebody out of Seattle or something?
Here the car had a tire or steering issue, causing it to move into the wrong lane and crash.
Because I was a newbie, it really hooked me. In front of me.
Oh shit! Holy! Oh my god! Holy!
Заказ онлайн сушишоп51.ру. Бесплатная доставка.